there, I want to invite you to join us for a free open house where we're going to be sharing with you everything about low-level laser technology. This is an incredible new breakthrough, and this is really the future of where healthcare is headed, and we want to be able to share this with you at our free open house.